today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively log out of your Alibaba account. This might sound simple, but ensuring that you properly sign out is key to protecting your account's security and privacy, especially when using shared or public devices. So let's dive in and walk through this process step by step to make sure you're doing it correctly and efficiently. First things first, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head over to the Alibaba website. Simply type in the URL or search for Alibaba in your search engine and click on the link. This will take you directly to the home page. If you're already logged into your account, you'll see a welcoming display of products and your personalized recommendations, likely tailored to your previous browsing activity and purchases. It's always a good practice to double-check that you're on the official site to avoid any phishing scams or fake pages that might attempt to collect your information. Once you're on the Alibaba homepage and have verified that you're logged in, locate the profile icon. It's usually positioned at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu with several options, one of which should be something along the lines of sign out or log out. Selecting this option will initiate the sign out process. It's crucial that you complete this step to terminate your session and disconnect from your account, especially if you've accessed it from a public or shared computer. After you've clicked Sign Out, confirm the action if prompted. Some websites may ask for an extra confirmation step to finalize the action. This is just another layer of security. Following this, the page should refresh, and you'll be logged out of your account. You'll know this has been successfully done when you're directed back to the home page, usually with a message indicating that you've signed out, and your profile icon is either absent or replaced by a generic login prompt. Although this concludes the process, it's always a good habit to take a few moments to ensure that you're fully signed out, especially if you're stepping away or allowing someone else to use your device. Double check that your account page has been completely closed and not just minimized or hidden. Moreover, consider clearing your browser's cache and cookies periodically, as this can help maintain your online security and privacy. And there you have it. A simple yet essential guide to safely signing out of your Alibaba account. Ensuring that you properly log out not only protects your information, but also provides peace of mind, knowing that your account remains secure. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. See you next time.